The following periodic maintenance will help keep your poly strapping machine running smoothly. Open the lid and pull back the strap. The machine has 5 oiling points, 2 on the LS1 guides and 3 at the press bars. Once a week, apply light machine oil to these points. Caution: your machine should be off for 10 minutes to allow the heater to cool. To access the heater, remove the heater cover plate by pulling up. Use Scotch-Brite to brush the heater blade until it's clean. You may need to pivot the heater back to access the bottom. You should see clean stainless steel on both sides when done. Ensure the heater floats on the mounting screws. Remove the spool and locate the rubber pad on the brake spring arm. Inspect the pad and replace it if excessive wear or deterioration is present. To remove the old brake pad, loosen the 2 right side Phillips head screws on the brake pad mounting bracket. The screws and bracket do not need to be fully removed from the brake spring arm. Insert the new brake pad with mounting bracket grooves facing the ground. Tighten the 2 Phillips head mounting screws. Install the strap spool, ensuring the strap is feeding over the top of the spool as indicated on the direction sticker. Your periodic maintenance is now complete and your machine is ready for use. Should you have questions, Uline's repair department can be reached by calling customer service. Be sure to shop now, watch more, and subscribe.